IRDA ఆధ్వర్యంలో హైదరాబాద్ లో జరుగుతున్న అంతర్జాతీయ బీమా సదస్సులో ఉపరాష్ట్రపతి వెంకయ్య నాయుడు మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ప్రత్యక్ష ప్రసారం ద్వారా చూద్దాం.
I was really elated, $7 for such a small delay. Then I went up. I could not spend $7 because everything what I could eat and consume was within $2 at that time. After that, the announcement came and I went to flight. And the flight, when I went to my seat, there was a cover printed in my name. I was party general secretary also earlier in BJP at the national headquarters. We never had an electronic typewriter by that time in India. So I was read something printed, and then I opened the cover. The letter is from the chairman of the airlines. He said, "We are extremely sorry, Mr. Naidu, that this has happened in spite of our best efforts. There was some breakdown, and I apologize you for the delay, and then please accept a check of $25 as this thing to you for the delay." I was really amazed, and my opinion about America has gone up like anything. Then, of course, I traveled. Then I got down in Los Angeles. My friend came, and I told him, "Why, America is really great." He said, "Why?" "No, see, the receptionist immediately understood my problem, and she got you and then made you to speak to me and also gave them $7 check, and then I could not even spend it. Then I went to the flight, and there is a letter of apology from the chairman, and then there is $25 check also, and whatever is needed that is being served in the flight also again, in addition to this. Great year." He said, "Useless fellows, they try to make you happy temporarily." I said, "How?" He said, "In America, if you are not satisfied, right from airport, straight away you go to the attorney and give a notice to the fellows for $10,000. Those fellows made you happy with $25. And he said, the law of torts is very strong. But in India, if the flight is delayed, तो देर हुआ उसके लिए खेद है एक लाइन. No explanation. Till such time when there was no competition. Of course, now there is a competition. Once the competition has come, of course, things are improving. They will improve further also. We are also now seeing, even small delay also, how each airline is trying to explain also. So why I am saying this is that there is need to provide safeguards. There is need to have, that's why this regulator has come. Regulator is only to regulate, to strengthen the system. Regulation do not mean strangulation. Because you can't expect reforms and regulation to go together. People will say, "Sir, on one side you said no red tape, no delay. Is all everything PM is saying, it's all red carpet, no red tape. Ease of approvals, everything, yes. But at the same time, in a democracy, if you want the system to work successfully, honestly, you need some regulation. A regulation should never become a strangulation. Regulation is to facilitate smooth functioning of the system." Some people ask me, no, freedom should be there. How many regulator? I faced with that situation, and I formed this real estate regulator. Real estate, I was urban development minister. So then we brought in a new bill which has been waiting for the last 10 years of a real estate regulation. I said it's a real estate regulation and development authority. It's not RERA. It's not simple regulation. So be assured. So I suggest to Vijayanji and also the insurance sector, the regulatory system should be to facilitate the people to get relief. So there has to be transparency, there has to be accountability, and also there has to be avoidance of the middleman. You know about Indian insurance system also. There are people who come to you and they say that you don't worry. You have advocates also who will be saying, "I will be arguing your case. Once I win the case, give half to me and take half for yourself for arguing a case." There are many other middlemen also. We have to slowly avoid that, and I'm happy that with the appointment of this regulator, system is improving. Friends, as we grow in size, the premium also will come down. Now we have seen the Agri insurance scheme promoted by Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Bhai Modi. That is the need of the hour. That's one of the big reforms he brought in the agriculture sector, because agriculture is our basic culture. We have to focus more on agriculture. And agriculture depends on vagaries of monsoon, flood, drought, and also pest menace, and also other natural calamities. The farmers have no protection. They will lose heavily. Unlike other people, they have some cushion or other. So agriculture sector needs special protection.